Are you an investor looking in Canmore for an Airbnb opportunity? I've got a great condo today. It's at the lodges at Canmore. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, some great mountain views, and it is zoned as a tourist home, which means you can rent it out short term, you can rent it out long term, you can even live in it full time, whatever your heart desires. The Lodges at Canmore is located very close to downtown, right next to the shops at Canmore, within walking distance to Elevation Place and downtown Canmore, as well as the Alder Cafe and all the amenities that Spring Creek has to offer. Welcome to Unit 212. We're at the Lodges at Canmore on the 2nd floor. We've got some great views of Lady Macdonald just outside on the deck. And these units are fantastic for people that are coming to stay on Airbnb vacations. They're open plan, they're super cozy. The gas stove just behind me adds some warmth to the unit as well. And the unit comes turnkey, so fully furnished, all your dishes, all your knives and forks, everything you need to start generating revenue immediately. So we've had some nice renovations done in this kitchen. We've got some beautiful quartz countertops. People love having a full kitchen when they're coming out for the weekend. They don't always want to go out and eat at local restaurants, although you're very centrally located to downtown Canmore, so very easy to get out and about to all the trails, all the art and culture that Canmore has to offer, as well as the restaurants downtown. But if you don't want to go out, you've got this great kitchen, lots of cabinet space, full-size fridge, full-size stove. You've even got a dishwasher as well, so you don't have to work too hard while you're on vacation. So all the Lodges units here have these beautiful balconies. We're kind of northwest facing here, so you've got views just behind me of Lady Macdonald once the clouds clear there. And then you've got the barbecue just behind me and room for sitting and just enjoying that mountain view at the end of a busy day. So just behind me, we've got the 2 bedrooms. The primary bedroom has a king bed, which is very important. Lots of people, when they're shopping for units to come out to Canmore and stay for the weekend, are looking for a king bed in the primary suite. That primary bedroom also has its own 4-piece ensuite washroom. And then we've got the 2nd bedroom. It has a bunk bed. The lower bunk is a queen, and then the top bunk is a single. And then it's got its own 4-piece washroom just behind me here as well to service that bedroom. As always, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this property or any other property in Canmore, my information is just below. And please don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.